Hello, this is my Sprint 3 project, the API infrastructure pipeline. In phase 1, I implemented API integration using JavaScript fetch API with async and await. The application fetches users data from JSON placeholder. I also implemented try catch error handling, so if the API request fails, the application displays a service unavailable message instead of breaking the UI. In phase 2, I focused on improving the user's experience during network delays. I implemented CSS skeleton loaders that appear while API request is in progress. I also implemented a bot controller with a 5-second timeout. If the API does not respond within 5 seconds, the request is cancelled and timeout message is displayed. In phase 3, I implemented a dedicated web worker for data processing instead of processing the API data directly on the main UI thread. The data is sent to a worker using post message. This helps to keep user interface responsive during heavier data processing. The interface is also responsive and adapts to different screen sizes. The user's cards are displayed using a responsive grid and layout adjust for mobile devices. This project demonstrates all three mandatory phases of Sprint 3: asynchronous API integration, latency mitigations with skeleton loading, and timeout handling and non-blocking data processing using web workers. The project has also been version controlled and is ready for deployment.